Most people don't realize this, but after the age of 60, your muscles begin to shrink slowly and silently. It's not just the number of candles on your birthday cake that changes. It's your strength, your stability, your confidence. You start to notice things. Climbing stairs feels heavier, standing up from a chair takes more effort, and long walks seem shorter because your legs get tired sooner. Many believe this is just aging, but the truth is, it's not. Muscle loss isn't only about age, it's about inactivity, sitting too long, moving too little, doing less because you feel weaker and feeling weaker because you do less. It becomes a cycle, a quiet one that no one talks about until the damage is done. But here's something most people never hear from their doctors. Muscle can be restored at any age, even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Science backs this up. Studies from top medical institutions have proven that the human body retains the ability to rebuild and strengthen muscle fibers, no matter the age. The secret is consistency, not complexity. And in today's video, you are going to learn one powerful daily exercise that seniors across the world are using to restore their strength. No gym needed, no machines, no special training, just a chair. Yes, that's right. One single move you can start doing right now in your own home that can make you feel decades younger. This exercise has been recommended by physical therapists and senior fitness specialists. It's simple, safe, and backed by research. It doesn't just help with muscle, it boosts your balance, improves your posture, and helps prevent falls. Falls are one of the biggest risks for seniors today, and strengthening your body is one of the best ways to avoid them. But this one movement also supports your joint health, increases your circulation, and reactivates dormant muscle fibers. That's right, your muscles aren't gone, they're just waiting to be reawakened. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do. You will learn how to perform the exercise step by step. You will understand why it works. You'll discover real results seniors are experiencing. How some are walking longer, standing taller, and even feeling more energized in their daily life. You'll also get helpful tips to stay consistent with it and how to make it a part of your routine without even thinking about it. There's something powerful about taking control of your body again. It's not about trying to look like you did at 40, it's about feeling strong again, feeling steady, feeling free in your movement. Because when your body feels capable, everything else changes. You smile more, you move more, you live more. This video is not just another health tip. It could be the beginning of your comeback, the beginning of getting back the strength you thought was gone. All from one simple practice you can start today. If you stay until the end, you'll also learn a bonus technique that boosts the effect of this exercise. Something few people talk about, but that makes a real difference in results. It's a method used in rehabilitation clinics that you can easily add to your daily routine. So if you've been feeling slower, weaker, or more tired lately, if you've noticed that small tasks feel bigger than they used to, this video is your sign to change that. Not with extreme workouts or complicated routines, but with one small action that grows stronger with each passing day. And the best part, you're not alone. Thousands of seniors are already doing this, and their stories are full of hope. Some are getting back into gardening, others are walking farther than they have in years. They're not just adding muscle, they're adding life. So make sure you watch till the very end, because every second of this video could help you unlock something powerful inside you, a strength that's been waiting to return. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best health solutions that truly work, especially for those who want to feel strong, active, and independent in every season of life. If this message resonates with you and you're ready to take your strength back, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. We post clear, easy to follow health advice just for you. After the age of 60, something begins to shift inside the body that many people don't even notice at first. Day by day, muscle fibers begin to shrink. Movements that once felt easy begin to take just a little more effort. This slow decline has a name: sarcopenia. It's a natural part of aging, but most don't realize how much it impacts their daily life until it's already taken a toll. Sarcopenia doesn't happen overnight, it's gradual and subtle. One year you're carrying groceries with no problem. The next year, that same bag feels heavier. You find yourself using furniture to push yourself up. You avoid stairs more often. These aren't just signs of getting older, they're signs that your muscles are slowly losing strength. The reason this happens is simple. As we age, our bodies produce fewer hormones that help build and maintain muscle. Testosterone and growth hormone levels decline, and our muscle building response becomes slower. At the same time, if you're not doing anything to challenge your muscles, they start to weaken even more. It's not just about aging, it's about movement, or lack of it. But here's the truth that most people never hear: muscle loss is not permanent. Even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond, your muscles can grow stronger. The body still has the ability to rebuild muscle tissue. That ability never goes away. The only thing that changes is how consistent you need to be. You don't need to lift heavy weights or join a gym. You don't need to run marathons or take supplements you can't pronounce. What your body needs is movement. Daily, steady, simple movement that activates the muscle fibers and keeps your body engaged. It's about doing the right kind of exercise and doing it often. Without movement, the body begins to adapt to stillness. Muscles weaken, bones lose density, joints get stiff. But when you reintroduce daily motion, especially exercises that mimic natural movements like sitting, standing, or walking, the body starts to respond. Blood flow increases, nerves become more active. Strength returns. Sarcopenia may be part of aging, but it doesn't have to control your life. The biggest risk is doing nothing and accepting weakness as your new normal. The moment you start moving again, consistently, is the moment your body begins to heal. This is why small daily exercises are so important. They reverse the cycle of weakness. They remind your body how to be strong. The muscles may be older, but they still remember how to grow. They just need a reason, and that reason can be something as simple as standing up from a chair with control, using your legs instead of momentum, activating your core, and repeating that action each day. Many seniors think that lifting weights is the only way to build muscle. But research shows otherwise. Bodyweight exercises, using your own body to create resistance, are just as effective when done regularly. And they're safer, more accessible, and easier to stick with. Muscle loss is not just a physical issue, it affects confidence, independence, and overall well-being. It makes people feel fragile when they're not. That's why starting now, with just one daily move, can make such a difference. Because it's not about reversing time, it's about reclaiming strength that was always inside you. There's one simple movement that quietly transforms the way seniors move, sit, and stand, and it's called the chair squat. Don't let the simplicity of the name fool you. This daily exercise is one of the most powerful ways to rebuild strength in the lower body without weights, machines, or gym memberships. It works because it mimics a movement you already do every day, sitting down and standing back up. Chair squats directly target your legs, hips, and core. These are the muscles you rely on every time you get up from a chair, climb stairs, or catch your balance after a slight stumble. As we age, these muscles often weaken due to inactivity. But by practicing this one move daily, you train your body to stay strong, stable, and mobile. The method is easy. You start by standing in front of a sturdy chair. Make sure the chair isn't too low. Feet should be shoulder-width apart. Then slowly lower yourself down, as if you're going to sit. But instead of plopping down, keep control. Touch the chair lightly, and then push yourself back up to a standing position. That's 1 rep. The key is slow, steady movement, no rushing, no bouncing, just full control and focus. Doing just 10 of these each day can begin to restore your leg strength, improve your posture, and give you more power in your steps. As your muscles adjust, you can increase the reps gradually. Over time, 10 becomes 15, then 20, but you don't need to overdo it. Consistency is more important than intensity. One of the biggest advantages of chair squats is how they translate into real-life strength. This isn't just about exercise, it's about daily function. Getting out of bed, rising from a sofa, stepping up a curb. These are all versions of the same movement pattern. By training with chair squats, you're building the strength and balance you need for your everyday life. Chair squats also help improve your core. Every time you stand, you naturally engage your abdominal muscles to stabilize your body. Over time, this improves your balance and posture. A stronger core also supports your lower back, helping reduce the risk of back pain and improving how you carry yourself. Some seniors worry about their knees when doing squats, but when done properly, chair squats are actually very gentle on the joints. The key is keeping your knees aligned with your toes, not letting them push forward too far. And because you're using a chair for support, there's no risk of falling. You can hold onto a table or place the chair near a wall for extra confidence as you start. This exercise isn't about pushing through pain or chasing big numbers. It's about building strength you can feel, step by step, day by day. And the best part is that you're doing it in your own space, on your own time, with no pressure. Just you, your body, and one movement that brings everything back to life. Once you begin doing chair squats every day, the changes may start small, but they are powerful. At first, it might feel like just another movement. But after a few days or weeks, your body starts to respond in quiet but life-changing ways. One of the first things many seniors notice is an improvement in walking strength. Your legs feel firmer. You're able to walk farther without needing to stop and rest. The tiredness that once crept in after just a few steps begins to fade. Your legs feel like they're holding you up again instead of dragging you down. As the strength in your legs increases, other daily actions become easier too. Getting out of bed in the morning doesn't feel like a task. Sitting and standing from a chair happens with less effort and more control. You're no longer bracing yourself or reaching for something to pull yourself up. That strength makes a difference in how you move through your day. It helps you feel more independent, more sure of yourself. Balance starts to improve as well. With every chair squat, your core and leg muscles are being trained to support your entire body. That balance isn't just for standing. It helps when you walk on uneven ground, turn quickly, or prevent a stumble from turning into a fall. Good balance comes from muscle control, and chair squats help rebuild that control, 1 rep at a time. Another major benefit is improved posture. As your back, hips, and core become stronger, your body naturally straightens up. You no longer feel like you're leaning forward or hunching over as much. A strong posture takes pressure off your spine and improves how your joints feel during the day. You carry yourself differently, more upright, more stable, more open. Joint pain is something many seniors live with daily, especially in the knees, hips, and lower back. But when the surrounding muscles grow stronger, they take pressure off the joints. Chair squats help build those support muscles. Over time, this reduces the stress placed on your joints, which leads to less discomfort during movement. That doesn't mean the pain vanishes overnight, but it becomes more manageable, and that matters. Perhaps one of the most encouraging benefits is the increase in daily energy. Movement creates momentum. The more you move, the more energy your body generates. Muscles that work better use oxygen more efficiently. Blood circulation improves. Your heart doesn't have to work as hard to keep you going. Suddenly, small activities like cooking, cleaning, or walking outside don't leave you feeling worn out. You have more stamina, throughout the day. And as all of these benefits begin to take shape, something else starts to grow. Your confidence. You feel stronger. You know your body is getting better. That knowledge alone lifts your spirits. You begin to believe in your ability again. That confidence leads to more movement, more courage, to do things you used to avoid, and a deeper connection with the strength that's always been within you. Staying consistent with any habit is the real key to seeing results. And chair squats are no different. The exercise itself is simple. The challenge is doing it every day without giving up. One of the easiest ways to build this into your life is to tie it to something you already do. Start right after brushing your teeth in the morning. That way, it becomes part of your routine instead of something you have to remember later. Your body is already awake and your mind is already in motion. It's a perfect moment to do your reps while your motivation is still fresh. Making things visual helps too. Grab a simple calendar and hang it somewhere you can see, like the bathroom mirror, fridge, or bedroom door. Each time you complete your chair squats, mark an X on the calendar. Watching those marks grow day by day creates a strong sense of progress. It reminds you of your commitment and makes the habit feel real. You're not just doing squats, you're building a streak, and that streak becomes something you won't want to break. Adding a small reward system can also make a big difference. It doesn't have to be anything. Maybe treat yourself to a relaxing walk at your favorite park at the end of the week, or enjoy your favorite healthy snack. Some people even write down a weekly goal and reward themselves with something simple they enjoy. A new book, a cozy afternoon nap, or time with family. These rewards keep you motivated and give your brain something to look forward to. It turns effort into something you celebrate, not something you dread. Listening to your body is just as important as doing the exercise itself. It's okay to start small. In fact, it's better. Don't worry about doing all 10 reps right away. If you start with 3 or 5 and feel tired, that's perfectly fine. What matters is the act of showing up. Even in small amounts, your muscles will respond. The strength will come, but forcing yourself to push too hard, too soon, can lead to soreness, discouragement, or even injury. Let your body guide the pace. There may be days when you don't feel like doing it at all. That's normal. But even doing just a few slow squats on those days keeps the habit alive. Momentum is built by consistency, not perfection. Skipping one day won't hurt you, but turning one day into 5 might. So on the days when energy is low, focus on movement, not numbers. Some people find it helpful to keep a journal or notebook where they jot down how they felt after each session. Did your legs feel stronger? Was it easier than yesterday? These small notes help you track progress in a personal way. They also create a record you can look back on, a reminder of how far you've come and how much your body has changed since you started. Your strength didn't vanish, it simply got quiet. And now, it's time to wake it up. This journey isn't about age. It's not about numbers or years. It's about one small habit, repeated with intention. One simple movement that reconnects you with the power that's always been inside your body. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Just one round of chair squats. That's all it takes to begin. The change won't happen overnight, but it will happen. Your legs will feel steadier. Your balance will return. Your confidence will rise. And one day soon, you'll move in a way that makes you pause and think, I feel strong again. Because your body never forgets how to heal. It only needs a reason. This one exercise gives it that reason. If this video helped you, like it now, so more seniors can find the same strength. And subscribe to our channel for more simple, proven ways to feel younger, move better, and live stronger every single day.